For this project, we'll be using art resin along with Color Creators Pacific Gift Pack and the Chameleon Gift Pack, though you can use whatever colors you'd like. Mix up the resin according to the instructions. Art resin uses a 1-to-1 ratio. Stir thoroughly. Add your color. For this, I will be doing 3 separate mixes. 1 clear blue, 1 clear blue and mica, and 1 clear blue, mica, and glitter. Mix these thoroughly and adjust colors as needed. For the lid, I want glitter on the edges. So first I'm going to pour glitter around the edges and do a couple passes of that. And then take the mica and do a quick pass around the center there. And then top off everything with the clear blue just to fill up the rest of the mold to push the mica and the glitter to the edges of the mold. I'm done with the lid, and so now we're going to move on to the box. You have to pour in reverse, and I want clear mica and then glitter. So we're going in first with the clear blue, and we'll fill that up almost about halfway or so, followed up by the mica, and we're going to fill this up almost full, just a little bit left on top for the glitter, since I only want the glitter on the bottom of the box, not down the sides. After that, we'll let it sit for just a little bit and blast the bubbles off with a heat gun and set it aside to cure. Once it's fully cured, we can demold and we can see that beautiful gloss, that beautiful shine that the art resin gives us. And it removes really easily from the mold. It comes out nice and glossy and shiny with little to no finishing, maybe an X-Acto knife on some of the edges. But here we go, ready for storage, for jewelry, or in my case, dice. Used as a tray as well. And you can do in all other colors.